Use PDF2OFX to convert PDF bank or credit card statement files to OFX format and import into QuickBooks Online, Xero, Sage, Microsoft Money, and other accounting software. Start PDF2OFX Converter and open a transaction file. Review transactions before converting. Check the dates are correct, have correct year, deposits and withdrawals are in correct places. Set the OFX target to match your accounting software, or use Regular OFX as default setting. Set the account ID number and the account type. For multiple accounts, use a different account ID for each account. In your accounting software, look for Import a Statement, Upload a Bank File, or similar links to upload created OFX file.